Hey guys, this is Vijay Sridhar. I once again welcome you to a session on DojiCreator. In this session, we will look at how to display overlays. Uh, we can display an overlay with or without a character, with character and without character. How to display overlays uh, is something that we are going to look at. So, when you create a new game, automatically two overlays are automatically put into your fore, foregrounds folder. There is a Maya sad and there is a Maya smiling, two images which are transparency enabled PNG images that are placed into your foreground folder, and these can be used just as is. So I will say Maya sad appear set. Where should that image appear? So you must know some locations, right? So those locations are created in your config file. What are the different locations that you want to display your characters? So how is it displayed? Is the center of the image displayed at this location or is it the top left corner of the image? If you look at this image, there is a top left corner of the image. There is also a center of the image. So when you tell this image to be displayed at a certain position, the top left corner is at that position. So we must understand. So at left one, which is a 50 pixel 50 comma 10 pixel, so at this position, say for example at this point on the screen, you want Maya to be displayed, or you may also want at 510. So let's look at this at left one. So it prompts you that these points are available. What do you want, where do you want to display? So at left one. Do you want to continue or wait for the click? So you can specify that with a continue. So let Maya speak. So Maya appears at left one, and immediately after the click, she will speak. Let's see. So Maya sad appears at left one. This is the left one position that she is appearing. So if I maximize it, you can see. And when I click, she says hello guys with a sad face. So that's not so good. So this looks good, right? So we can also make her move, arrives from where? Arrives from left one to right one. Let's see. Right one is too far off. So let's say right two. And then she waits for the click. That happens. And you can also do this. You can say Maya disappears or Maya leaves from right two to left one. So she comes back and vanishes. It is leaves. She has come there. She moved back and vanished. Or you can also just say Maya disappears and she vanishes from there itself. So these are movements, appearances. You can simply say Maya appears at left one. Let's see. She appears at she appeared. Now she disappeared. So either a overlay can appear or it can arrive and leave. It can appear and disappear. So these are instantaneous. There is no animation here. These are instantaneous, appearing and disappearing. Arriving and leaving are animations, which happen from one point to another. Please understand. Now, you want to change this lady to something else. So, Maya sad appears at left 2, which means here Maya is the key. Maya smiling will be removed and Maya sad will be rendered at left 2. Initial image was at left 1. Even if you change the location, the primary image, this image is removed because the key is Maya, and Maya sad will make an appearance at left 2. And you just said Maya disappears, right? You did not say Maya sad disappears or Maya smiling disappears because Maya is the key. That is how it is handled. So this is a smiling, and immediately that image is removed and this image is rendered the sad one, and Maya disappears because you're not making Maya sad disappear. But please look at the images. Image has a sad and smiling here. So these two are possible. Now let's remove this and then go to a different context. How to define a character using Maya. So do we have character as Maya already declared? Yes. We have one character with Ajay Jadeja. We don't want to make use of it. We remove that Ajay Jadeja character and we will use char Maya equals character capitals Maya, and I don't have a thumbnail for her. Okay, now Maya has, I will define some parameters for n params, age 25. So Maya, so we have defined numeric parameters for Maya as age, which 25. You can also define more parameters, more numeric parameters by a comma delimited, or you can also define it multiple times. This also works. You may want to say money, like that. So what other parameters can you define? You can say B parameters which are Boolean in nature, which take true and false. You can initialize or need not initialize. Please remember. And then N parameters, B parameters, and S parameters. S parameters are string parameters, which are like name, relationship, qualification. These are all strings, right? But for now, we will make use of age alone. So how does Maya appear here? Since you have only one name here, one image here, let's say that Maya dot sad. So this is coming as a character, now not as just an image. Maya appears as character, and then now Maya says, so this is what she says. Let's look at it. Character not declared for parameters. Maya, Maya for, this is Maya, not age. Line could not be processed. There is some error here. Okay, there is no backslash, fantastic. Maya has appeared and she says my name is Maya and my age is 25. And you just see this, the speaker name is Maya. This is coming from the character definition, right? The character definition, Maya dot name is Maya. So this is how you make either characters appear without using the character definition or using the character definition. I hope this made you understand how things work. All of these things will be cleaned up when you transition from one scene to another. So Maya will vanish when you go from one scene to another. You'll have to do a fresh render. So if I look at, if we go here, so this is still green background, right? So when it transitions to another background, which is orange, then the scene has changed. Now there is no Maya here because everything is cleaned up. So here the scene, in the new scene, whatever characters are supposed to interact, you have to bring them in freshly. So this is how you need to handle overlays using characters or just plain text files. One more thing is, suppose you have, uh, let's rename this also into smiling. Okay, let's assume smiling1.png and smiling2.png. So there are two files. Little variance is there. Let's assume these are two smiling files with little variance. Now that I don't have a smiling file, different file, I converted the sad also into smiling. Maya.smiling appears at left one. Will randomly pick one of these files for me. Did I correctly rename? Ling, right? That's right. It will randomly pick. So let's look at this. So the first one is a sad file. Let's see the second try also. Second is also sad. Third one is a smiling face. So when both file names have suffixes 0102, randomly it will pick one of those files. So using characters, you have an advantage that you can randomize the experience of users, that it is not very monotonous and it is not very same to all the users who are playing your game. So that's the advantage of using characters instead of just plain text files. But can you render this image using plain text, like Maya smiling 01 appears at left 1? No, it doesn't work. This will not work. You got it, right? This will not work because it did not find this key and it moved on. All right. So that's all I have about overlays. I hope you understood everything about the overlay display and how to make them move around, or you just, if you think your user computer will be a little slower, just make them appear and disappear instead of moving them from left to right, right to left. Thanks for watching.